My visit to Matenga Cultural Village was so special, I decided it needs a video all on its own. Entrance fee is R150, which gives you access to the Homestead, to cultural shows at 11:15 and 15:15, and access to the Matenga Nature Reserve, where you can hike up to the waterfalls. I think it's important for us to showcase African culture and African tradition, and this is what this beautiful video is all about.
So you'll watch Sipakta. Sipakta, it's the food stamping dance done by men and boys. Usually the boys, they used to do this type of dance when they are looking after the cows. So when they meet with another boys, they just group themselves so that they can compete with another boys. Then after that, you'll watch Ingada. Ingada is the dance done by unmarried girls because they just lifted up their legs to show that they are still not yet married. Even girls, when they've gone to get some water from the streams, they just group themselves so that they can compete with another boys, with another girls. Then after that, you'll watch the traditional healer, the Sangoma. He will be performing the ritual dance. After the Sangoma, you'll watch Sizingidi. Sizingidi, it's the body flexibility dance, also done by men and boys. Then after that, ladies and gentlemen, they will sing a song and come and pick you and teach you how to dance in a Eswatini way. Then after that, you will listen the choral and the gospel music. I hope, ladies and gentlemen, you will enjoy the show.
Apelile
Spend the time with the performers. That marks the end of the show. I hope you have enjoyed the show. Yes, because these are not the war songs. It's just to entertain the guests. Because they compose those songs on things which they see, or else if maybe they want to pass the message direct or indirect. Thanks very much again for those who have already done the tour around the home. For those who have not yet visited the home, they will have to follow me so that we can start to visit. We start to visit the home. While we are visiting, you can take photos, even to ask questions. My name is Paul, but that's the Christian name. My Eswatini name is Mbuluzi. Mbuluzi, it's the name of the river. It's up north of Eswatini. My father was working far away from the home, so he has to cross that river. They call it Mbuluzi River. But one day, he left my mother pregnant. When he came back at home, he found that river flooded. But on that day, he managed to swim and cross it. When he reached at home, he found a baby boy. Then he named me Mbuluzi. Just to show that how a Eswatini homestead used to look like. But some of the culture we still follow it. Like here, it's a home of a one man, two wife, and his children. That's all. This whole thing here. Because in our culture, you can take as much as you like wives, as long as you are rich enough to pay and support them. Because for a virgin girl, you pay 17 cows. But if it's not a virgin, we negotiate, the price goes down. In building the houses, there is no nail, no wire has been used. All is just natural. It's just the sticks and the grass. The floor inside the hut. The women collect the termite heap soil, then they crush it with some smooth stones, which we get it next to rivers. When they see the floor is dry, they just enter inside the cow's kraal, then they collect fresh cow dung just to polish the floor. Because in the past, when there were no cement, when the women see that inside the houses is getting dusty, they just enter inside the cow's kraal, then they collect the fresh cow dung just to polish the floor. Culturally, ladies and gentlemen, when we are entering a Eswatini home, while we are at the entrance, you shout, Ekaya. Ekaya means home. When we are shouting, saying Ekaya, we are asking permission to enter in the family. Then they can send a young boy or a young girl to come and welcome. If maybe you are a man, men walk near to the kraal. The kraal is where we keep cows at night. So men walk near to the kraal, so that is going to be easy to get a man on a man's place. If you are a women goes near to the windbreak. These are the windbreak made of reed. So women goes near to the windbreak, so that is going to be easy to get women inside the kitchens. In the past, during daytime, the man and woman, they don't sit together. They used to sit separate because there would be a man's talk and a woman's talk inside the kitchens. This hut which is near to the gate, that's the girls' bedroom. All the girls of the two wives at the age of 6 years, for privacy of their parents, they move away from their parents' huts and come and sleep in here until they get married. But early in the morning, they just wake up and help their mothers inside their kitchens. So this is just their hut to sleep. Like in the past, when we haven't got schools, if they want to see you that now you have reached the age of 6 years, they said with your left hand side, touch the right ear. If you did not touch it, it means that you are less than 6 years. Because we believe that when you are less than 6 years, your arm is short to touch this side of your hand. Then in the past, ladies and gentlemen, they used to put the girls near to the gate, just because if maybe an enemy have just come to attack the family, while the enemy is still shouting at the gate saying, "Hey, Kaya." Then the girls came out. Instead the enemy to attack the family, he started to propose love to the girls. Then the young ones run and report it to their brother that there is an enemy at the gate, because in the past they don't kill females. They used to kill the males. They take the females as wives because now in nowadays you find that we put the boys near to the gate so that they can protect the family. So now, ladies and gentlemen, I will count up to 3. Then you'll have to shout loud and hard and say Ekaya. So 1, 2, 3.
Ekhaya.
Nine begunene siyanemukela, which means you are welcome.
Siyabonga.
Because in our Eswatini culture, when a home have got no cows, it means that home is poor. But when it has got cows, it means that home is rich. So cows in our culture was the symbol of wealthy. Because we use cows so that we milk them, use it for farming or to pay for the woman. We do kill cows, but on special occasions. We keep goats and chickens just for meat. Or else sometimes the men and the boys, they can go and hunt. Even if you want to marry a wife in our Eswatini culture while she's still your girlfriend, the first marriage, it just takes place inside the cow's kraal, because it's where they just tell her all the rules of the home. While they are telling her all the rules of the home, she will be just standing in the middle of the cow's kraal, stepping down a spear facing the home. The reason why she's stepping down the spear inside the cow's kraal, it's where she signed that she will get separated by death with the husband. Even maybe one of the family, when he has passed away, and then is the time to take him out to bury, because we bury the dead ones near to your home. Each home have its own burial place because we bury them in the ground. Before they take him out to bury, you find the men of the family near to the kraal conducting the ancestors, because some of the Eswatini, they still believe on the ancestors because they say they are near to God. Even in the past, when Eswatini, they don't have any modernized maize storage, the granary, Eswatini used to dig inside the cow's kraal, just make a big hole where they used to store the maize. The headman of the home will get a big flat stone, just put it on top, put back the kraal menu, so that when it happens, maybe these houses catch fire, while you are running to the neighbor, you know that your food is still safe. This hut here, that's the Swazi clinic, Swazi hospital. The Sangoma's hut, if the headman of the home, it's a medicine man, is throwing some bones, that's the hut. When you have just come for the treatment, you can get the treatment here. Or else, if maybe you want to predict the future, you can predict the future here. As you see this plant here, that's the mountain aloe vera. When Eswatini, they've got a stomach ache problem, they break the leaf, a liquid came out, you take it, mix it up with water, you drink it. If you get burned from fire, you take the liquid, apply it straight to the wound. This one here with a big leaf, that's an elephant's ear. When you have got the problem of the ear, you just get one leaf, put it next to the fire. When you see that there is water coming out, you just let it cold. After that, you squeeze it inside your ear. Because still nowadays, some of the Eswatini, they did visit the traditional healers. So you can come this way. So low, because we Eswatini, we were good on fighting with a nopkiri. There is a stick which have got head like a golf club. If maybe you are trying to attack someone inside, while you try to crawl in, they just hit you on the head. Or else to show the respect to the one which you're going to find him inside the hut. Because the first thing when you enter, you bow, then you sit. Those who like to visit the doctor, I think after the tour, you are free to come back. Early in the morning or in the afternoon, when they've put the cows inside the kraal and coming in here to make fire, the headman of the home will find the fire ready. He will be sitting down with the boys, sharing some ideas with the boys. If maybe there is something to roast, they roast themselves here. Then it's where even in the past, when we haven't got schools, the boys used to be told how to be the grown-up men. So all the things concerning males, they just discuss it here. No woman must be found sitting here during the daytime. Here you can find men and boys. Girls can come here when they've just come to bring the food, because they kneel down to the entrance. They don't enter. They just kneel down to the entrance and put down the food. The youngest boy of them all inside will come and take the food. Even maybe in a home, when they've slaughtered a cow or a goat, the head and the feet are not cooked inside the kitchens of the women. The women can cook the other part of the meat, but not the head and the feet. We believe that when a woman eats the brain, she will become intelligent than the man. When the woman eats the tongue, she will become too much talkative. She won't respect the man. Because when the woman eats the feet, she just walk away from the man. That's where the first wife sleep. That's where the first wife prepare the Eswatini traditional beer, alcohol. Our beer, we call it umbotsi. Can you pronounce it?
Nobody's hitting me on the head. You can come in.
Before we get independence, it used to be our execution rock. When we have committed murder or we are practicing witchcraft. But before they take you up there, you sit for the trial. Once they find you guilty, they just take you on top of the mountain. While you are on top, they just blindfold your eyes, tie your hands at the back, then they say jump. You jump on the other side of the mountain because that side of the mountain, the cliff is very steep down. While they were taking you up there, there will be even some warriors at the back who will be busy just poking you with some spears until you jump. Even your family were not allowed to take the body to bury. They just left it there because they thought once they take you to bury, the spirits of witchcraft or killing people will come back in a home. But now, ladies and gentlemen, we don't do it. We just keep you in normal prison.
Yeah, I sleep. Okay. Oh, it's beautiful. I saw a little bit. Oh, but we have the crocodile.
Oh, no. Where is it?
I don't know.
Oh, I thought you were seeing it.
Oh, yes, I wouldn't be walking to the... I wouldn't even get crocodile out.
I'm sure they are there inside.
Inside. Yeah, but we're not going inside.
Inside is risky. You see where they are. They look like rocks.
Thank you. Siyabong. I hope this video inspires you to put the Kingdom of Eswatini on your travel bucket list. Also let me know in the comments which part was your favorite. The show, the walk through the cultural village, or the walk through the nature reserve towards the waterfall. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned as I show you more of the Kingdom of Eswatini. Shem, where's his mom?
Yeah.
I'll believe them when they say there's crocodiles and snakes.
Yeah.
Because he has lots of animals.
It's danger.
Yes.
See what else I get up to on my travels. Subscribe and come travel with me. Together we will see where our new adventures take us.